today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect WordPress theme for your blog or website. Choosing the right theme can completely transform your site, making it professional, engaging, and user-friendly. Let's make this process simple and straightforward. Start by heading over to wordpress.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick and free. Once logged in, look at the left-hand menu on your dashboard and click on Appearance. This section controls the look of your site. From there, click Themes. This is where WordPress showcases an extensive library of both free and premium themes, catering to all styles, industries, and preferences. Now you can browse themes or use the search and filter options to narrow them down by layout, features, or aesthetic. Do you want a bold color scheme, a minimalist design, or an image slider? Filters make finding your ideal theme much easier. When you find a theme you like, click Live Preview to see how it looks with your content. This ensures it matches your style and brand. Once satisfied, click Activate to apply it to your site. Don't worry, you can always switch themes later as your needs or tastes change. And that's it. You've successfully found and applied a WordPress theme, setting the stage for a stunning website that stands out. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips and tricks.